There's really nothing like it. I mean, snowbikes kind of took my heart right away. Just the biggest thing for me was the freedom, the blank canvas, being able to express yourself. It was almost like when I first got on it, it's like I finally found home.
No matter what the snow condition, no matter what the weather, the machine performs so amazingly that you're gonna get out there and enjoy yourself and have a smile on your face at the end of the day, regardless. I wanna go up here, I'm going up there. It's literally just laying the power on and pointing and shooting to where you wanna go. It's the most freeing feeling I've felt on snow in my entire life.
It's truly allowing us to broaden our horizon on what's possible out there, just with the lighter, more efficient track design.
The freeing feeling of riding these things is just incredible. It's unparalleled.